Hi guys, today we're gonna be playing the Impossible Quiz. So I played this game before, so I like this game. Let's go. Of course that sounded there, bro. So it's for this one. Okay, and then I don't know what this one is. So are we supposed to read this backwards? Because this game made this put random words. This is okay backwards like it's like this. Also it's Halloween, guys. Happy Halloween. The heck? Now don't touch the blue. I feel like if I go over it, I'm gonna like die, lose a life. What? This is how you do it? Onion. Technically, a shallot is an onion. So, what the heck? Is it really big? Bro, what? Okay, let's speed on this. What the heck? How did I lose a life on that one? Shallots. An elephant. The heck? What am I searching? I'm not searching for nothing. What the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. Is it what the heck? I'm gonna guess, bro. This one. Yay. I hate Poke ads. The heck?
Oh, Skelesaurus takes him out. Reset the loop and go.
No, I don't like Poke ads. What it is, bro? Okay, choose food. A monster would probably eat food because it's Halloween right now, so yeah. What? He would probably eat a hand, so a glove or a hand, with a hand inside. So okay. Okay, shallots. Okay, that one. Bro, yeah, free skip, and okay, it's a N. What, bro? Okay, this. What the heck, bro? At least I got a free skip. No, but a tin can. The answer, okay. Okay. Shallots, an elephant. Right here. That one. Okay, this one. I got another one. Okay. Is it this one? Oh, wait, what? This is this. It's supposed to be. This game is trolling me right now. What? Did I just hear a thing? It's this. What sound does a bell make? It's see, I heard that. What is a candle? Laughter. A hole wouldn't do anything, and a guys won't do anything too. So it's a torch. Actually, I don't know what a Gaispis is. Gaispis is. I don't know how to pronounce it too, so I'm like saying Gaispis. Okay. Nay, Winnie. What the heck? Am I pulling? Well, I think. Oh, am I supposed to spell horse, or am I supposed to spell level? I feel like I'm supposed to spell horse. Oh. Okay. What is the 7th letter of the alphabet? Let me see. A1, B2, C3. Did I just forget A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It's G. What the heck? Well, it's H because it's. Wait, is it here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What? It's this. 24 minus 7. It's 17. This one is close, so I feel like it's. Wait, it's trying to trick me, right? What the, bro? The Sigma. Stop. Oh wait, this one is more greener, so body. I saw this one, so orange. No, bro, I meant to put orange. Not an ad. I wish we had no ads. Well, yeah, ad sucks. Well, yeah, nice time with those ads. Oh, shoot. Some shallots, an elephant search. Okay, this is gonna be the last one because I hate playing this game. This game sucks. It's like the smallest. Torch. HORSE. Okay, H. This hammer. This blue, orange, green, yellow. Deal or no deal? Okay, what? Carefully. Okay, this one was green. I have 3 lives, so I don't think it's gonna give me another life. So 1 plus 1, save changes to untitled. Brand new. Well, that's not how you spell it. It says click the V in lives, bro. Literally seeing that it says click the V in lives. What lives? Oh wait. It's not fully colored. No one cares. It's shoe polish, bro. Okay, one of these aren't real, and I know it's this one because I know these ones, so it's this one, bro. Yeah, it's 28. I've been paying attention. Ballot bond fairy hit. What the? These does. Ballot bond makes abundance. Well, this is a. No one cares. Abundance. Oh my god, bro. I hate ads. Well, I'm gonna end it here because I hate ads. Bye, guys.